There is a well-known persuasive technique in psychology called foot in the door. If you want someone to agree to your large request, but you know that it will be difficult to persuade them, make them to agree to a smaller request first. And our psychology works in such a way that if we agree to something first, we'd like to be consistent and show our integrity, so we are more likely to agree to another request. For example, if you want to borrow money from your friend, initially ask for smaller amount first. They are more likely to agree, and then in a few days you can ask about bigger amount and they will lend you. Salespersons use foot in the door a lot when they ask you first maybe to read a catalog of products, and then later they ask you to buy a product and you will do it. And door in the face technique is the opposite. When first you ask someone about larger requests, which they are more likely to turn down, and then you ask them your original request, what you wanted them to do, and they are more likely to agree. For example, you ask your friend for a bigger amount of money, they will refuse. Then you ask some reasonable amount and they are gonna give it to you. Or you ask someone, may I borrow your car for a weekend? They will turn you down, and then you ask, may I borrow your car for a few hours? And they are more likely to agree.